This will be a short stream, probably, because I don't have much time. So I need my microphone a little higher. Okay, so yeah. Need to get YouTube working. Trend. Directory environment. I don't think I've garbage collected it. Okay, so where are we? Oh wow, that's quite a bit. Let me make a new tab right here. I'm gonna run chat Reuilding just so it works. Actually, I'm not gonna. See. We have a lot here. New file deleted. Yeah, it got renamed. Why some of them are staged, some of them are not? Okay, let's do cargo run. Let's see if it works. I mean, it does work, but it's not complete. So that's why I'm streaming today. Yeah. Didn't I add this back? Obvious loading thing. And if I remember correctly, we have Twitch, but we don't really have YouTube. And this, where is it? This will probably go. Oh wow! Ow! What is that? Yeah, impl fn for extern Rust call function call unstable library feature. Yeah. Just because YouTube chat takes those generics. But we aren't gonna use it. We're gonna use a different one. You have a message here, it's not gonna do anything though. If I go to Twitch. No one is live. Who am I gonna raid? So yeah, it is displaying. Wow, those light wallpapers, you can't even see the background. If I open something light, you can see it. You can also see the outline, which is pretty small, but I like it. So yeah, Twitch is working. YouTube sadly doesn't. Oh, it's not a good sign. Which I actually have quite a few frames skipped already. So I'm not liking. So yeah, YouTube doesn't work, or at least it shouldn't. That's because YouTube API is not yet in place, and also I do need to. Oh, why it all lags so much? Do I have to be constantly running a BitOp to monitor my performance? So yeah, gotta get this thing to work. Let's see. Can't live without a plushie. And for that I actually think I maybe should add like my Twitch account, not only Chatris. Oh wow, this displays color? Didn't know that. Yeah, also I kind of want to add badges, but it's probably out, it's probably over scope. So for API we have sent and reply. Let's go into overlay. Here I have draw. Where is events? Here. Message when enter. Sent everywhere. I mean, maybe not everywhere. Maybe that's way too much for sent everywhere. I'm gonna do Twitch chat or mute send, and then I need to send to a channel and I need to send a message. Which channel is, I'm probably gonna just take config channels first. Do I unwrap it? Yeah, I guess I just unwrap it. This will send a message to Twitch, which I think I should also on send I should also invoke on message. Where am I? Get me to okay here. I'm sending a message. I also need to somehow invoke on message. And for that I need self. Do I have to manually do this? It's not that bad. Maybe I don't want it always on message, but I won't have API message. Then not really. I probably won't really have an API message. It just takes a message. Do I have any U here? No, I don't, but I certainly have a new channel. Certainly have a new for content. So yeah, channel, I mean, I can just do this and like implement live channel for an empty thing. I mean live chat. Impl live chat for this. I mean that's kind of cheating, but maybe I should just get rid of notifications. Maybe I should just make it an optional. Yeah, I think this can be an option. I mean, then I need a type. Actually, I don't. It's just a dynamical. Maybe I do. Let sum channel equals self channel. I mean, how do I just? I mean, mutably borrowing this is wrong, but at the same time, that's the only way, I think. If I do this, yeah, it's gonna consider borrowing, but it's not gonna let me use mutable borrow. So yeah, I need to mutably borrow an immutable I mean mutably borrow a mutable reference, which is weird. So if I do this, I have a mutable reference to a mutable reference, and I have to do this unfortunately. Okay, let me just comment this out. And if I go to Twitch now, Twitch's implementation, wrap this in some, sure. Hey, try wrapping in some, and it doesn't give me yeah, it does. Rationalizer is kind of weird, that's why I'm building. I mean, that's why I'm building my own compiler, but see, so let's just fix it. API message content. So here I have a new, which takes a lot of stuff. ID, channel ID. ID of what? Oh, it's message ID. I should make it unique. I mean, I can just do message here. Just, I'm gonna leave it empty. Channel ID. Internal. I mean, I'd actually like it to send it on my behalf, maybe. And at the same time on YouTube as well. Like replies won't work if I do it this way. If I do like QOTD, it won't work then because I don't have replies. I mean, if I will have Twitch chat on my behalf, this might be pretty useful. Not that I remember how to properly do this. I'll probably make another one, which will be streamer, something like Twitch streamer, which is RC over FCL. I don't remember why I need RC over FCL. Maybe I don't need it for the streamer. Or do I? I think it's somewhere here when I pull those events. Oh, it's in raw. Oh, where is update? Here I pull events. Here I. Oh yeah, message is borrowed, but at the same time I need like on message. So yeah, I probably don't need to wrap this in any sort of ref cells. So just Twitch a streamer, which will be create API Twitch chat new runtime clone private config, and I should probably not pass private because private contains way too much information. I need to specify which token to use. Which streamer? It's not mutable. Yeah. I'll have this. I'll have it take not private, but private has only one field token. So just take token, which will be probably a string slice, which will be a token. Get rid of that. And I guess I don't need anything else. Huh, right? So I just do private dot token here. and here I'm gonna do private streamer token. Actually, don't remember how to obtain those. And obtaining one on stream might be a very bad idea. I'm gonna try to do it carefully. So it won't load now because I mean I have added a new thing. See, now I won't need this. Now I'm just gonna do streamer, Twitch streamer send, and Twitch chat is gonna catch it. I need to borrow it here. Just need to send. Okay, it's fine. Now, I mean, I need to somehow get token. Okay, it should be fine now. Hopefully. I mean, I've specifically used another editor, and I've specifically run it with sudo, so I won't be able to just accidentally type it and open the file. So this now should have its own content. I hope it's not gonna pop up somewhere. Like, yeah. I should probably like store those files as root or use an authenticator. Like there's key wallet. Interface for storing tokens. I saw Alan the ID of Alan using Max system to store tokens, but he also uses he also uses OAuth, which I'm using just TMI Twitch apps. KD wallet, match passwords. Use it to store passwords. I mean, it is pretty safe already, but when I add a token, I don't want to show my other tokens. Sorry, should probably add. Oh, it's not the syntax. I should probably use something like key wallet. Can I? Oh wow, this lags. How much frames? Can actually not match. Not much frames I'm skipping. And it immediately starts to skip. So probably from Rust. Hello, Fern of Sigma. Welcome in. And yeah, chat is compiling. Do you know anything about key wallet storing keys? Is it lagging? I mean, like, I have key wallet on my system. It was popping up every time I boot, but I found a way to disable it. And I'm thinking instead of using a file to store all my keys, maybe I can use key wallet, which may be quite a bit more secure, because I was just adding another token. And I did leak my password once on the stream, which was very fun. Yeah, this did it work? Maybe we got an error. No, we didn't. I mean, error shouldn't contain my token, right? But we didn't get the message. Oh, hey Ian. I haven't seen you in a long time, right? And yes, I switched to new Vim like a long time ago, actually. I don't remember when it was. I've switched to Lunar Vim, then to new Vim, made my own config. Used key wallet directly. I mean, how you're gonna do this? I need some kind of an API to take it. Thanks for the PR. Yeah, I've got NixOS running now, which has a problem. Spectacle doesn't work. I mean, it does, but when I launch it first time when I boot the system, it loads. It takes like 5 or 10 minutes to boot. But yeah, we are improving chatbot. Keyring to store credentials. I guess this works with Mac and all those fancy stuff. Need to look it up. I mean, I don't even know how to use key wallet, to be honest. I've never used it. I only had it pop up. Cross-platform library. I mean, that's probably the same thing. 17 days ago. 44 versions. Pretty active crate. I want to use key wallet to store my tokens, not just passwords. Because I have my tokens stored in not a very safe place. Currently tokens for Twitch for both accounts, which I need to access when I use my chatbot. What's TOTP? Time-based one time. I mean, it's not. No, it's not time-based. It's just a token, like in Twitch API tokens, which are basically strings. Entry new, entry delete password. Client testing. I mean, I don't know how to use Q-Wallet. Maybe I should think about this when I'm offline, because this was way too risky. Classic keep as format with a client. What's this? Key passxc. Freedom of Person's password manager. I mean, I have key wallet. I kind of want to use it, And I saw Alan use Mac's default password manager. Do you remember, Ian, how I leaked my password? I've changed it so many times since then. Work million KT5. Very portable. I mean, run out of film. Database. I mean, not that I want my tokens on my phone. Yeah, exactly. I've linked my password specifically to hack everyone else. I mean, Key Wallet can for sure store passwords. Which for tokens, I mean, that's exactly what I need. Interface. Interface to Key Wallet. Same desktop-wide storage for passwords on KD workspaces. Means there should be some form of a framework, I mean, a protocol for Linux-based systems, because GNOME also has keyring stuff, I think. I mean, doesn't work. Mac has it. KeyPass, database file parser. I mean, don't want to leak everything, everything and anything and everything. So yeah, we had keyring, a package, cross-platform library, yeah, a high-level API. So for keyring, oh, this is literally a wrapper around the other library. So using a specific keyring features, secret service, security framework, and security credentials. Does Windows have something to store passwords? Vault. Hash I corp. I wish I could like hold control and click here and to take me to the website. Please know the vault security and others and our users. Means it's just another way to store passwords. Like a Proton password manager, there's one. A lot of them, basically. Like Key Wallet, which you can probably use on GNOME as well. Whatever else. KeyPass. Based tests. I kind of want to use something like this. SDK. So keyring, set global service name. So it's like a name of an application. Set secret, get secret. Oh no, it's async. I hate this. Like password manager. Vault has an API. I mean, there is a Linux specific API and the Mac specific API, and that's what keyring library and keyring RS are designed for. Oh, Nix. Nice. We got Nix here. So I'm pretty sure I can use something like that. I think I'll experiment with this off stream because of high probability of me leaking everything. Come on. So where we where doesn't want to send a message. Just give me log. I should probably just print. Oh wow, 6 viewers. I hadn't had this much concurrent viewers in a while. They mean Twitch is probably lying. But that's good. That's good for my average. It's still loading for so long. I mean, I need to implement some plushes from Discord, like KD mascot. I think, yeah, Conky. I'm pretty sure we both won't be able to say that. The Conky, oh, that's not language I can read properly. But yeah, that's a KD mascot. We also had Harry Potter suggested. Animated plushes, I'm not sure. I kind of want them, but at the same time, how do I do them? Yeah, we've loaded. So send self Twitch streamer. It's just the same. Token and streamer token. And then clone config. No way we don't have like an ability to have multiple at the same time. Actually, maybe I need to pull it. Yeah, I need to pull it because it sends reconnects and pings. Wait. Why did I not think of that? I thought like maybe I can just leave it and only send messages with it. Twitch streamer. That's not what I need to do. Just next, and while it is some, it's not the API I'm using to listen. Oh yeah, I don't really need this here. So yeah, we also had Discord and Telegram, I think, suggested. I mean, I've suggested those splashes. Maybe even more. So in Discord we have plenty of suggestions, but this loading, it takes so long. And I've tried to even make it multi-threaded, but I can't load textures multi-threaded, unfortunately. And loading textures takes a lot of the time. Maybe I should like bake it all into one single texture atlas, and then it will load faster, because loading individual textures here may be very slow. Did we think nothing? Hey, come on. Come on. Why? What's wrong? What's wrong now? I'm sending it here to the first channel in my config. Where's my config? Yeah. Should be sent. Well, next some. No, that's not a key. I was literally waiting for you to write this. That's a channel ID. That's nothing secret. You do. Come on. VIW Gang. You just go to YouTube, paste it here. Oh, it doesn't work. That's because you need to channel here. Come on, it's just gonna send me to this channel. Same thing if I do this, but I'm pretty sure Twitch IRC, I mean YouTube IRC library doesn't work with this syntax. But YouTube recently started using ads, especially in comments. So yes, it's not a key, fortunately. I don't store keys in the same folder anymore. It's just a config file. But why it doesn't work? I mean, it should. Okay, maybe. Let's try without going into a file. Let's try use token. Use the same token. It will confirm if I have messed up getting my token. Rust LSP? What do you mean? Official Rust LSP is Rust Analyzer. For NeoVim I use null ls, I think. Oh no, it's LSP0, and then I use Mason. I mean, I'm not using Mason anymore because I'm on NixOS. And I'm just using Rust analyzers that I have lying around. So not very Nix way. Okay, so it should work, but it doesn't. Hold on, maybe. I mean, I do have send here. Should be just fine. Channel message. Also on awake, I think it doesn't send anything. If you mean a new Vim plugin, I think I saw some specific ones. I'm not sure what I have installed right now. So if you do qtd, it replies. So reply works. But the send doesn't. So for every channel I'm sending Fax them online. Yeah. I've got replies working. It looks much better to me. And also it doesn't really pop up here. Maybe it should actually. How about me creating a third a third live chat, which is just listening, and then chat is writing, replying, and then from my account it just sends messages. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's all I need to do. Self-client, private message, and I'm not replying to. Maybe client no nonce. What's client nonce? Handle escaping. And yeah, I've switched Twitch API, Twitch IRC library. I'm now using, I think, TMI. Flashy Twitch. Yeah, we still have flashes. Doesn't feel alright. And yeah, they are pretty slow. On the last stream I had single-threaded them and then multi-threaded back because single-threaded flashes weren't fast enough. Yeah, Twitch is weak. Mine is weak, and I just pressed T because I thought this thing would work, but it won't. My plush is weak. Others, like if you look for solid ones, for example, like circle, ones that has circles, or a YouTube one, for example, they're pretty solid. A sprite. I'm not sure why that didn't pop up. Oh, plushes. The simplest misspell. Hardest to notice. So yeah, I should be able to just send it. I can send a reply, but I can't send the message. Send, send, yeah, send. Maybe I need to provide client nonce. I don't know what this is. To be honest. My parent client. So nobody plus, yeah. It's Twitch client nonce. To pass data. Just the supplied values that gets sent when Twitch sends out a message. Oh, so it's just a private internal data. That's interesting. You can hide secret messages in messages. And I'm pretty sure you can read it, but that's not the point. Reply parent message ID. If I don't reply, it doesn't work. Why? How do I have my replies? Channel ID, content ID. I mean, channel ID is just channel name. So just channel to owned. I like I don't understand why. Maybe I need to make this lowercase. But I mean, this is so weird. Hey, this is wrong to me. It should just work. I mean, actually, but yeah, I'm connecting with. Wow, the slangs. Skips aren't that bad today, actually. But when I'm connecting to all channels, reconnecting, join all, those are. This is case insensitive, so I'm pretty sure this doesn't. This isn't case sensitive. Why do I have so many concurrent viewers today. That's so unusual. Reply to specify reply private message ID tag, which makes a private message reply to another message. Client nonce to identify the message in the notes which Twitch may send as a response to this message. What? Send a ping. Send a pong. An optional. What? This call is not rate limited in any way. Channel must be a valid channel name prefixed by hash. What? This must be a valid channel name prefixed by hash. What? Hey, come on. What? I don't have any of them prefixed by hash. Why? Like, why? I didn't even know that. Really? Oh yeah, they have hash here. What? That's new to me. Do you have to specify hashes here? And I mean it worked without hashes. I wonder if that's what preventing send. So like when I do reply to, I use message. I mean I use channel ID that was that I got from the server. Message channel ID. Yeah, like that. I mean message ID here. Yeah, bye Ian. I hope to see you soon as well. Yeah, also, you can do Orco. Just a quick update on the compiler. If you catch me live, you can do something like this. Extern fn put s message char pointer put s c string. Actually wonder if I can get this. Yeah, it works. Nice. First try. Yeah, private message channel. So I've just used message channel. Next, give me a message. Where's next? See, let's just go to docs. Message. The one I'm receiving. I receive message when parsed. Let's type. Private message here. Channel which in which this message was sent. Huh. Maybe. Okay, maybe let's try with hashes. Then I should get rid of two lowercase actually. Where is my where is two lower as they've put in here? So yeah, maybe it was. I mean, now no function in the whole library except for those joins asks for hash in channel name. I just don't understand why. Yeah, ID of custom reward redeem. TMI, I actually, like, when I reading the docs for Twitch TMI library in Rust, I wonder if it's actually IRC because it has so many API parts. Like Twitch, from my understanding, Twitch API is something that, oh, we've got a message, hooray! Yeah, it's hash problem. So yeah, now if I do QOTD, it's from Chatry. Coders Chatry. Oh wow, yeah, that's kind of funny. So yeah, when looking through this library, if, as I understand, Twitch API is something to manage VODs, for example, to manage the stream itself, to add redeems, I guess. And Twitch IRC is the specific chat API, which is based on the very, very, very old IRC protocol, which you can connect to Twitch through Telnet program, I think. Ping pong part, notes, clear chat, clear message. So do we have here a join? Can probably use that. Room state, user notice, user state. Maybe there is a message, some message with reading without a message. Bits. I can use all of it to and pages to add icons before serial mode timestamp apply to maybe I should filter messages better. Actually, I mean, I actually think I will use 3 whole live chat APIs at the same time. One for me, one for Chatry, and one for looking. Actually, a constant high amount of viewers might be because I have 2 IRCs at the same time watching me. But I'm pretty sure it's not like that. Because, I mean, I did test, it did seem like I have Chatry being one of the viewers, being counted as one of the viewers. But at the same time, in other streams, I didn't have this. It was disappearing from Twitch Raiders, how do you pronounce this? Can actually run. Not sure if you can. Not sure if it's a valid English word.
Radars.
Yeah. I'm doing transcription. Actually, if I.
Radar.
Yeah, it's plurals have a very weird plural forms, if I'm right. The ones which are multiple have kind of weird. They normally don't have what is this transcription? Sound what sounds they make, and the recording feels like it's done by very far from the language person. You can't really judge those because I'm English is not my main language. So TTY, which I should refactor. I guess I I mean, is this cheating if they count as viewers? I mean, I should really show every thing here. But can't really hook it up. Actually, I can. We're going to Twitch API, I can store a queue of messages here, and on send I'm gonna add a message to the queue, to then on next put it here. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue probably using two APIs, one for these two chats and one for replies, but also on send I will emit self messages. Oh, 2 years. Back to 2 years. I mean, if those lines continue, I might get to affiliate finally. Which, if we look at my channel goal, if I subtract follow botted followers, actual number I need to go to is 250. Once I get 250 followers, I'll have 50 actual followers. 50 real ones. But yeah, since I got follow botted, I now have VIPs. And I've messaged Twitch support. They didn't answer. I guess they just don't care. Oh, see, TMI client credentials all good. Did I actually change the token here? No, I didn't. Streamer set streamer token. So we can close this, can close that. Runtime config client, and let's also make a queue, which will be I mean, back deck. Am I better to use a normal vector? Is it better? Is it really? Vec vs vec deck or q. Did I use vec deck for stack? Yes, prefetching aggress me while iterating. Sign sufficiently. So yeah, I'm only gonna push onto one end and pop from the other. I would use it as a first in first out queue. Straight towards the elements, moving them. Here vector is more performance than vec to push the bubble from the front, but what's the most performance? Simply iterates through. So yeah, I think I just gonna use vec deck here because it's people say it's faster to push front, but I need popping. Only thing I need is popping, and the most efficient data structure you can build is queue on the ring buffer, which is what I built when I needed a queue on Arduino, which didn't have one, and I didn't search for the library back then. So import qualify queue, just new queue. It's never read. So here I can add to self queue, push back. This reminds me of C++ so much. Self. I mean, it's not self. I need a message. Queue of what? A queue of of regular messages. T, right, square, whatever this is. It's the greater than sign. On lifetime, oh no, lifetimes. I mean, I can't just do regular message content, which is here to just store messages. That's what I literally made it for. And here it takes quite a few parameters. Message ID, message channel. I'm gonna provide those, but I think I'm not gonna provide the. Actually, maybe. Message ID. Oh wait, I don't have message ID. That's what I'm not gonna provide. Instead, I don't know. Do I make it an optional? Proper way would be to make it an optional. And then here, channel ID. Do I need channel ID to be an optional? I think no, because it's not like it can be absent or present. But for YouTube, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna put like YouTube, for example, in it. If also yeah, if let a fancy pattern matching, which I also need to implement in the compiler, which I don't know how to. Mute self channel and mute, not mute, just self content ID, which I need to pour. Yes, just then here I can do channel ID. Oh, it's content ID. I need to channel ID here. So yeah, regular channel ID. Size of value. Oh no, size of value str. For some reason, do sref. Wait, did it? Oh wait, it's not channel ID. Channel ID is always present. As I said, I need a message ID here. So like that. ID borrowed of self content channel ID and just regular ID. It's not the key I wanted to press. Straight function defined here yet which ID just none for the ID, and then here I wrap it in sum. Please give me a hint. Yeah, also, since I mentioned Rust LSP new. I'm pretty sure I saw some extensions, and they have an extension for crates specifically. Open cargo toml in chatry. I have this, and I can. I don't remember shortcuts to be honest, but I can update them. I can see versions. Self-config color. What? What? Oh wait, yeah, makes sense. So message content, channel ID, author color. Might be a self or chatry. I don't know. Yeah, config name is name, and then for color I'm gonna just do RGBA, something like red, or like just new red, like 0.5, 0. I'm gonna try to match it to, actually it's just gray. Oh, here it's red. I mean, here it's red. On my phone, for some reason, it's gray. And I always have those colors. So I think I did set colors in Chatry, but for some reason they are just here. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just gonna do dark red and of course opaque. Actually, opaque. That's the right way to do it. And that's an RGBA of floats. Yeah, F32, which means I need to use once for the full brightness, and message is literally the message to owned. I don't know, everyone suggests using toString, but to owned is the actual way to convert string slices to strings. Yeah, I need to use this. Let's just clone this, copy, yank it here, and do the same thing, but for message I'm gonna format as if it was on Twitch, so replying to like that. I actually can do a proper formatting, but not that I'm gonna bother with that. It's not self-config name, that's oh wait, I can't. Oh wait, I can't get the person. Can do self client. How do I get the name of the person I'm replying to? Do I store it again? Guess I might have to store it. Let's just, for the sake of let's just for testing provide an ID here. We can add names later, and hopefully I won't forget. And I probably won't forget because I mean it's gonna look awful. They forgot to actually pop the message from the queue. So if let sum message equals self queue pop front, I'm gonna wrap a message, and channel is gonna be some self but I mean replying to Chatry. Chatry might reply to himself, which is gonna be a problem. It's not that, I mean it is no, it's not possible yet, but when I will give you an ability to write a program that outputs I mean when I make orco command output a reply, it's gonna be possible to make this recursive. It won't be that bad because it's just you have 500 characters to fit like 5 messages into each other. So that's totally possible. So if there is a message, I just return it. Content. And let's try it. Cargo run. And next up we need to implement YouTube. 15 followers to go. Yeah, here's this goal. My actual affiliate is gonna be 250 because I got follow botted for 200 followers. I never even asked for that. I never even knew this could happen. And this is something people do. No idea why. Maybe just to make Twitch ban me because I'm using follow botting, which I'm not. Someone else. Oh, and yeah, by the way, we've got a Reddit, which is currently empty. One member and 4 online. Why? Yeah, just. Oh wow. We have. I'm online on 2 channels because Chatri is on 2 channels. And why is Chatri like that? It should be. The name should be Coders Chatri. Chatri. That's what the name is. It doesn't really matter. So if I do QTD. And yeah, at message ID, the question of the day is: this looks good, surprisingly good. Uh, Actually, on my phone, I also have this at. Actually, it is replying to, but on my phone, which uses official Twitch application, it's just at. Because that's how Twitch IRC works. Internet relay chat or whatever. So yeah, maybe I should send I'm online only to the first channel. Config channels first unwrap. Uh-huh. Is it? I'm pretty sure it should move here. Guess not. So yeah, I'm online. I am. And then I need to properly save message replying to like more message info basically. Actually, when I reply, actually that's pretty easy to do. When I reply to a message, I can just pass channel ID, message ID, content author, just pass an author, so I get a reference to an author. Here. And that's very that's very simple to implement. And yeah, add author. That's just so I can display it properly. And then we'll move on to YouTube API, which I'm scared of because the best crate I could find, which has an ability to send messages over YouTube chat, is this one. Literally no other crate allows me to send messages to chat, but this one allows because it's just literally a YouTube API, Google YouTube API, which, as you can see by the description and by the version number, is pretty much a raw API. And it contains an API for the whole library, for the whole YouTube API, which means videos, premieres, I think also. Changing channel banner is probably included in this API. Yeah, chat recorders, chat is online. That's pretty dark. I mean, if you set dark name, it is a dark name. So now, yeah, at infinite coder 1 just works. And yeah, as you can see, I have one viewer right now, which means, and I have two IRCs at the same time pulling messages, which means they don't count both. Maybe that's just a delay, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Or IRC just connects randomly. I don't know. I mean, it can't just connect randomly. It's joined. It's joined. So yeah, onto YouTube. Let's do a little new tab. Do a git commit. It's taking a while to execute. It's pretty slow. 1.4 gigabytes already in our stream. I mean, this should be a short stream. And they probably don't have much time left. So yeah, we've got Twitch API, two IRCs, complete, which is, I mean, that's pretty much all, except that now I need to add YouTube one, because I am streaming to both platforms. Yeah. What? The bell? The bell icon? What? So yeah, I read it. This and it. Yeah, I sent it. Oh, I'm so scared of this library. And also, I can only test it on stream because off stream there's no stream. On Twitch, I can use IRC off stream, but that's not the case for YouTube. Oh, slow. Yeah, now I got 3 years, which is probably 2 from Twitch IRC, but I mean I have to use Twitch IRC. Oh, and one is this Twitch now. So basically all me watching myself. Why is this so slow? I mean, I do have only 5.75 gigabytes or gigabytes of RAM. Gigabytes. But it should be faster. It should handle OBS plus and Vim plus my chatbot running. Is superstar. I should just get started with. Oh, homepage. Oh, developer. So yeah, as you can see, it is literally a YouTube API. That means I can also run Chattery in comments, which is not not that it's ideal. And also I don't have a second account for YouTube for Chatry specifically. So I won't be able to. So I will probably just use my account to have replies. Yeah, we should get some examples. I'm actually surprised that they have examples, actual examples, and it is if I do like insert message underscore message, whatever was it, a message methods, live chat message here. They've got an example on that. And it's not just not like you just parse it from Google because it's Rust. Hyper Rust LS and Google YouTube 3 as YouTube 3. Then it got specific uses and then we got some code. That's surprising. But yeah, that's actually what I need. Live chat messages, dot insert, and list. And I'm not sure, like all YouTube IRCs provided me with a way to just pull messages. Here on the other hand, I have to use list, and I don't know when the message appeared. What? Page token? Okay, let's just get started. So they have installed Flow Authenticator. So just YouTube basically. What you need is just YouTube. Extract YouTube chat. Have Twitch chat here. I'll have YouTube chat, which will have YouTube public client, YouTube, oh, I need to insert a module. I actually need to yank that and paste it here and place this by YouTube, place this by YouTube chat, CTC. I should really use T and F much more often. Twitch chat, yeah, done with that. YouTube chat. So here we have client, YouTube chat. Client, we need to actually get the client. Paste. Auth application secret. Yeah, this is for anonymous. I'm not sure how to properly work with it. I guess I'm gonna leave default for now. Yeah, that's so much stuff. The trust doesn't even show me. The trust doesn't even show me errors. Qualify. HTTP redirect. I can actually do. Do I have? Oh, it's just. Auth 2. Application secret. Install the authenticator. Secret HTTP redirect. Build a wait and wrap. Oh yeah, I need awaits and all this stuff. Let's just sneak into Twitch and yank some code from it. I'm gonna need all of this. I probably won't need Q because YouTube automatically should work with it, since it's just a message collection, message list. What you call builders. So yeah, hub is basically YouTube. I'm gonna name it client because consistency. Runtime. For runtime, I need to just clone the whole thing. Yeah, client. Let me just cut this out and paste it here. I'm gonna get rid of this. YouTube itself, qualify, just qualify. Now I need extern crates. Can I actually do like extern crate here? And I'm pretty sure this just won't work. Yeah, can't find crate. This means I need to actually do cargo ads. And which ones? Hyper with E, I think. Listing hyper and hyper rust ls. Why hyper rust ls? What is hyper rust ls? This feels like this feels so much like a language server. Hyper rust ls is an integration between Rust ls plus hyper integration for pure Rust HTTPS. Oh, Rust ls is TLS stack. That makes sense. Wow, this is slow. The minute is slow for me. OBS doesn't show much skips, which is pretty surprising. Yeah, client YouTube. Hey, come on. Okay, I guess Rust is gonna catch up sometime. Rust LSP, Rust Analyzer. I mean LSP. When I say LSP, I really mean LS because LSP is Language Server Protocol, and LS is a language server. Hyper and Hyper Rust LS should be resolved. But yeah, we just got them added. Probably will take time. Actually, I should visit my cargo toml. Probably clean it up a bit, because I have it all mixed up here. TMI as in YouTube stuff. And then this key to utilities. I can actually get rid of small now. I need Tokyo. I need async process. I need 30. And rayon and extra PM. I need them all. And log and rend. Hey, come on, it should work now. Queue. There's no such thing as a queue for now, at least. If you import client for it directly, what? I mean, it should work. Oh, can't use this. Cargo check. Yeah, we're rechecking some crates. I mean, we're just checking some crates because they just got installed, just got pulled, and now we have 587 dependencies. And for some reason we have, that's, oh wait, that's, I need to specify a package. Yeah, we have 551 dependency. It was 489, I think, or something like that. Now it's 550, all thanks to Hyper, because Google was already added. Wayland Protocols WL Roots, Wayland Protocols Plasma. And I'm pretty sure that's not because I'm building it on Wayland. And on Plasma. For some reason I can't see a GNOME one here. Any GNOME related stuff. Well, this is really loading my PC. I mean laptop, because it's a laptop. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Could not find client and Hyper. That's because I need to sync dependencies. And how I'm gonna do is run cargo add Google YouTube 3 and look at dependency versions. Oh wait, what? Yeah, I guess I'll just go to GitHub repo and look at cargo toml manually, because I need the same versions of dependencies. Hyper rustls and hyper. Can I just copy those? Come on. This is so slow. Is the Rust analyzer loading? Oh, finally. Oh yeah, it finally got a cargo toml. Hyper. No, it's not updated, and I won't update it, but my crates extension, I mean it's not mine, it's just crates extension, is not gonna let me just leave with this. It's gonna give me a warning, and this warning is gonna stick here forever. I mean, if I do it properly, I can just set equals. I can't really. Yeah, I can't really. Hub. Yeah. So yeah. Missing generic arguments, which is probably something with authentication. Hey. Yeah, we're waiting for Rust Analyzer to pick up again. So if I go into YouTube new, actually, and I guess it's just Hyper Client, which is a generic. Oh no, it's not a auth. S is client something. I'm pretty sure it's Hyper rustls. Come on, do I need to pull up HyperDocs now? Actually, I can just click here. And C is builder. Oh wait, actually, it is. So I have builder.build. Here, if I click on builder, then find build. Oh, so simple. Connector is C. So connector is. What am I using here? Oh, finally loaded. Go away. No. So connector is hyper rustls. Hyper rust. We can't write in kebab case, pretty sure. HyperOSLS, HTTPS connector, which also has generics, if AI is right. Maybe it doesn't. I mean, this thing doesn't load, so connector builder state build, just give me raw connector, right? It shouldn't have generics. I mean, why would I? No, it does. Alright. So yeah, now I have a client rb dot. I can delete a message, but it's not really presenting. Actually I can't because auth list, but I can list it. And for some reason it takes strings. Why? Live chat ID and part. I mean, live chat ID is fine, but what is part? How do I get live chat ID? Is this a video ID? Probably not. I mean, this is a YouTube API, so I should be able to just get live chat ID with the API itself. So scopes to make a valid call, possibly depending on parts. Oh yeah, authorization, auth. Oh, nice. I guess I need to make a call for this. Let's try. So this is right now is the stream video ID. And then I have no idea what this is. What is part or part? I guess I'll just do it. And then await. And then just print line. With this, actually just debugged. Oops. Some weird keybinds. Unused result. Yes, this is how debug works. Just okay. And let's try running this cargo run. And yeah, compiling this in release mode will take some time. This isn't used yet, just yet, nor config. I mean, config I probably won't even use. Oh, the client is immutable. That's interesting. I mean, I don't have to use. So it's full. So it's just full of interior mutability or whatever internal things. Just immutable. I mean, it does make sense, considering that those methods probably just send requests. So yeah, we are building, and this will take quite a bit. Also, probably frame drops are gonna occur. And yeah, I've changed what I don't remember. I don't remember who suggested this, but I've changed something in settings, and it seems to run quite a bit better now. So output, yeah, rate control. I have VBR, which is variable bitrate, And yeah, we're compiling. That's 460 crates out of 521. Reason why it's less crate is probably because it's not a debug build, but a release build, because debug build is way too slow. And by way too slow, I actually mean it's just plushes are slow. Because all my physics is written manually. So it might actually work if I compile it in debug. The just plushes will be a bit slow. When I was launching the stream, I was thinking, oh man, I just need to add the YouTube API and that's all. So easy. Almost 2 hours and I haven't really done much with YouTube API, apart from copying the code and adding the crates. But yeah, it says I have to have some authorization. Oh, fine, I'll do this.
Authorization.
It's so quiet. Why is it so quiet?
Authorization.
Authorization. Yeah, that's kinda not really how I spelled it. I mean pronounced it. The default scope will be scope read only. I mean, does this mean it loads this auth by default? Probably not. Anyway, YouTube API management is much more complex than Twitch one. I even use Twitch apps, which makes Twitch API even simpler. Here we're loading. I'm actually really wondering what my average view count today, because it's going back and forth from 1 to 6 to 1 back, then to 6 again, then to 1. Reminder, I need 3 to get to affiliate. Yeah, 9. Oh wait, I don't actually call it. Yeah, that's kinda unfortunate. Forgot to actually make the thing, use this thing. Say Twitch chat, Twitch streamer, and then I'm gonna make it YouTube chat, which will be create API YouTube chat new runtime clone. I mean, not that I need any tokens here. I mean, I do need tokens here, but I don't. I don't yet have them. Come on. Oh, this is slow, very slow. It literally froze. Hi, hey, come on, and Vim. Do I have to restart it? Okay, I guess I'm gonna restart it. Ow. This was this was painfully a painful freeze. Ow, again. 2 FPS. even my mouse got impacted. I mean, it does often on Linux. On Windows, I didn't see mouse moving. I mean, mouse stopping. If mouse stops moving, that means the whole OS is so frozen that you probably won't recover. That's for Windows. For Linux, mouse is just like everything else when the system is slow. I mean, that's kind of good. Yeah, YouTube chat. Okay, so it should compile. It should hopefully list. Actually, I don't have a live chat ID. I only have a video ID. Hope that's enough. And yeah, I say video ID when it's a live stream. I think live streams still use the video ID. Maybe not. Come on, come on. But if live chat ID is not this, I still can probably get it with the YouTube API crate. If I search for live chat, actually, message call, message list call, moderator list call. Yeah, oh wow, it froze. Oh, it literally froze for a bit. 0.77 frames. To skip the rendering lag. I need to upgrade. Actually need to upgrade. Wow. Why is it so painfully slow? Live chat ban? Yeah, not. I hope I don't need to use it. Live chat ban methods, ban snippet. Live chat message snippet, the documentation is next ID 34. Why? Live chat super chat. New sponsor details. Active live chat. Video live streaming details. So yeah, that's probably. Ow, it froze. But that's probably a way to get live chat ID. Why is it all? Why it didn't even load? Oh, please direct your browser to question mark scope equals this and follow the instructions displayed there. I'm scared of clicking this link because it might show my things because you input O scope name isn't valid or it refers to newer scope that's outside the domain of this legacy API. API was built at a time when scope name format was not yet standardized. This is no longer the case, and all valid scope names, both old and new, are cataloged at. Oh wow. I don't know how to do this. I might look up a different way because it's so complex. But yeah, Rust doesn't really have much YouTube APIs. I mean, I can search for REST APIs, but I guess it's gonna be even worse. Or I can search for something like C YouTube chat live chat API and just bind it. Like, yes, there is YouTube chat, but the problem is it can't send messages. It's really simple. I've used it. Live ID, channel ID. But it doesn't have message sending. Add callback function, get ready for fetching live, fetch chat comments. Well, if you want to fetch comments in real time, yeah, I remember having a problem with this. Of course, it's full of problems. Yeah, but it doesn't provide a way to send, probably. I mean, I've tried it. If I go to docs rs YouTube chat, live chat. I mean, the problem is it doesn't even have auth built in, authentication. On start, on end, on chat, on air, live ID, channel ID, build. So many builds. Empty, string empty. Oh, wow. There is another library which actually has authentication. But it doesn't have message posting feature. Search for YouTube IRC. Brain rot. It's a pretty recent library. When I found out about it, it was like 1 day ago published. Yes, there is YouTube IRC, real-time chats, low latency. No authorization required, but you can authorize. We actually open docs. YouTube. And yeah, it's both for YouTube and Twitch. Where's it? Stream? Result pinbox stream. Oh wow. It couldn't change because there's only one version. Why? Let's see example. Oh, it's chat context. So, like, new from channel, new from live. I mean, doesn't really matter. ID, URL, status. Status doesn't give me much. Upcoming live replay. Nice. So yeah, we have new from channel. Channel search options. Where is authentication? Oh, it's search. Search options. Yeah, that's actually nice. I actually really like this. So yeah, just YouTube stream. Huh? Where is authentication? I remember there was authentication for YouTube. Am I just crazy now? So stream just sends me packets of data. Action edit item, yeah, like this. But YouTube remote chat tomorrow. We also that's I think that's just what we get, not what we can send. YouTube message render base, membership item. Huh? But yeah, that's just what we get. And there is unfortunately no way to send a message into YouTube. They're both just reading. Send message. See. Library. Live chat. I mean, I can port C. Probably. Go. I don't think I can just port Go. I mean, I can port Go. I can't make bindings for it. Maybe I can actually. That's what's gonna be very simplified with Orco. One of the goals of this project. Yeah, live chatbot. Instantiate live chatbot with you with YouTube live stream URLs. Choose account, allow URLs, fetch. Does it just open the web browser to log in? If so, it's actually not that bad. I mean, if it caches the token. Google Golang.org, API YouTube v3. Chatbot chat readers. That can that's not that I can read Go very good because I'm not really I haven't used Go even I mean I've used Zig even more than Go, and by when I say use Zig I wrote like I wrote like 3 or 4 lines of code with it just to try it out. Oh, I hate like Google APIs. Java APIs that fetches. Learn YouTube API by making a chatbot. Yes, that's something. I mean, a very special thing I need is not just reading YouTube chat, but also posting to it, which is a problem. Read chat messages from broadcast. Register auth flow set. Doing it live. I mean, that's just reading on its own JS. Wow. Java API. I mean, you can't just bind Java or something at all. I've used Java a lot. UD library. I need to send messages, and that's the problematic part. That's why I can just use source crates.
This is like super ephemeral. I'll delete this in maybe like 3 minutes. Then there's the Google Docs stuff. That's more for like sort of ephemeral. This is like it guides the day or the backlog. And then there's the Obsidian stuff. This is the durable notes that I take.
What's he using?
Which API am I using? I'm using the YouTube Data v3 API.
Yeah. We all know how it went. I guess that's the only one. Maybe I'll oh, he actually redirected people to Twitch. So that's why you don't use YouTube for streaming. That's why you use Twitch. Because YouTube API is a pain. Not that I will do anything off stream because I don't have time. I also need to upgrade my printer. IV3 complete example 3. For like leaving a comment, or from in my case it's actually posting a live chat message. Actually Google YouTube API v3 Rust GitHub should have some examples to be used in Rust WASM client. So yeah, just get me to the repo. Oh, what? Come on, why is it doesn't even have a GitHub? I'm pretty sure it does. The original source code is on GitHub. Why? This always redirected me. Oh wait, no. Repository redirected me. Okay, mess those up. Doesn't really matter. So yeah. Oh, no examples. That's generated. Ow. Why is so many stuff? So much stuff here. Source. Come on, give me at least one example. No. And the channel subscription. The current channels update the video. Apps script go net Ruby. I mean, I can probably read C#. YouTube data API upload video. Run. Wait, what? C# I think is so weird. Aggregate exception. What? Yeah, I haven't used C# much. I only read it. Is it even C#? You have bars. What is that? Okay, client secrets JSON. We just read JSON. Then we authorize. Auth 2.0 access scope. I think I'm gonna do it all right now off stream, but I think it's time to end. Come on, someone go live so I can read you. Anyone doing Rust? PHP? How is this Rust? Anyone making a compiler? Anyone doing a chatbot? Real-time extravaganza? Just bot. What else? Yeah, what's this? Boring work stream. To do what? Windows. Come on. Why Windows? I mean, what is this? What is that? Are you literally automating your streaming? Okay, I guess let's just search for some good old game developers. Day for Pixel Game Jam. Wow, they actually got some viewers.
Packed C.
Export, yeah, that's how you do it. C#.
And then we save instantiate.
Some
And
black.
we need
Okay, let's just trade them. I hope I can read them.
we should say it's list of node 3D.
Yeah. Thanks everyone for sticking out. I'm actually really really wondering what will it look like. Thanks everyone for sticking out. Stop. I'm actually wondering what my average view count will look like. But yeah, maybe I'll stream tomorrow, probably not. I'll stream someday in the future.